সরি, প্রথম ভিডিওটি কেটে গিয়েছিল। দেখো, হেয়ার C4 plants, ওকে, হেয়ার সোলার এনার্জি captured by the chlorophyll, হ্যাঁ, সোলার এনার্জি captured by the chlorophyll. We know the all chloroplasts are disintegrated. The importance of light in photosynthesis is immense. For the production of carbohydrates from H2O and CO2, the source of required energy is light. Sunlight also take part in the development of chlorophyll. Okay, the light range is 400 nm to 480 nm nanometer and 680 nanometer also. Okay, chloroplast generally is carried out well with light of wavelength between 400 to 480 and 680 nanometer. Okay, then carbon dioxide up to 1% concentration, so the rate of photosynthesis increases with the increase of carbon dioxide up to 1% in atmosphere. Okay, then temperature. The suitable temperature for photosynthesis is 22 to 35. Okay, in your book here 30 is wrong. 22 to 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, water in photosynthesis, hydrogen ion required for the reduction of CO2 for the production of carbohydrate comes from water. Okay, if the concentration of oxygen increase in the atmosphere, the rate of photosynthesis decreases. Okay, photosynthesis increase, so oxygen increase, so photosynthesis decreases. Okay, then the rate of photosynthesis is accelerated in the increase of number of leaves. With the increase of the number of leaves, the rate of photosynthesis is accelerated. Okay, then in the evening the rate of photosynthesis is low. Okay, when in the evening the rate of photosynthesis is low because of the accumulation of carbohydrate that were produced earlier. Then potassium, the rate of photosynthesis is found to become slow if there is a shortage of potassium. Okay, since potassium likely plays a role as a catalyst in the process. Photosynthesis is very important for human being and other organism. Okay, because they depend their food and CO2 and O2 gases in the atmosphere is CO2 is 20.95 and CO2 0.03 respectively. Okay, and balancing of O2 and CO2 in atmosphere by the process of photosynthesis. Then go to respiration. Respiration is the process where glucose breakdowns and produce C6H12O6 in the presence of O2. Glucose breakdowns here different enzymes, okay, different enzymes and produce 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus 686 kilocalorie energy. Okay, that means 38 ATP kilocalorie energy, and here 38 ATP. Glucose plus 6O2, different enzyme, 6CO2, 6H2O and 686 kilocalorie, and here 38 ATP almost. Based on the availability of oxygen during respiration, the process is divided into two types. So this is the reaction of aerobic respiration. Okay, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, C6H12O6, here different enzyme different enzyme, C2H5OH is produced, okay, and a small amount of CO2 and 56 kilocalorie energy or 2 ATP, okay. In anaerobic respiration, this is anaerobic respiration. Here is no required O2, okay, no required O2 and produce ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol, okay. C2H5OH known as ethyl alcohol, and energy release only 56 kilocalorie energy and ATP 2 ATP, okay. Then first stage of in aerobic respiration is glycolysis, then acetyl-CoA, then Krebs cycle, and then electron ETS or electron transport system, okay. In glycolysis process, one molecule glucose converted into 2 molecule of pyruvic acid, okay. Here 2 molecule of pyruvic acid. This is the pyruvic acid C3H4O3, okay, very important MCQ. Pyruvic acid C3H4O3, okay, and produce 2 molecule NADH2 and 4 ATP, but in glycolysis process 2 ATP is reduced, okay. Here the glycolysis process occurs in cytoplasm. Glycolysis where occurs? Cytoplasm. Glycolysis and acetyl-CoA formation occurs in cytoplasm, okay. Then acetyl-CoA converted, pyruvic acid converted into acetyl-CoA, and here produce 1 molecule NADH2. So both sides produce 2 molecule NADH2 and 2 CO2, okay. Then acetyl-CoA goes into Krebs cycle, and Krebs cycle occurs in mitochondria, okay. Krebs cycle produce energy, and last one ETS, electron transport system, that is also occurs in mitochondria, and they produce lastly CO2, water, 38 ATP and heat energy, okay. In the process of respiration, heat energy is produced, okay. So the living body is feel warm, okay. And Krebs cycle here produce 3 NADH2, 1 ONU FADH2 and 1 ONU GTP, and both side 6 NADH2, 2 FADH2 and 2 GTP, okay. Here you know 1 molecule NADH2 equals to 3 ATP. 1 molecule FADH2 equals to 2 ATP, and 1 molecule GTP समान समान ATP, okay. This is also very important for you for MCQ. How many ATP is produced from 1 molecule NADH2? 3 ATP, 1 molecule FADH2 2 ATP, and 1 molecule GTP means ATP, okay. Then Krebs cycle produce this energy, and ultimately ETS produce 38 ATP. Total ATP produced in aerobic respiration 38 ATP and heat energy, okay. Then in anaerobic respiration, here pyruvic acid is incomplete, okay, incomplete reduction of pyruvic acid and incomplete oxidation of glucose, okay. Here we can see incomplete reduction of pyruvic acid, so they produce ethyl alcohol, okay. So this is called anaerobic respiration. Then temperature. What is the suitable temperature for photosynthesis respiration? Respiration suitable temperature is 20 to 45 degrees Celsius, okay. This is the suitable temperature for respiration, 20 degree to 45 degrees Celsius. The supply of optimum amount of water keeps in respiration its normal state. If the supply of water is too little or too much, respiration is inhibited. Okay. Light, though light is not required for respiration, the rate of respiration is higher in daylight. Okay. And carbon dioxide, amount of carbon dioxide in the air is increased, the rate of respiration becomes slower. So these are the important MCQ and A, B question for you. Okay. So till then, Allah Hafiz.